Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to do a quick update. Last time I covered this was, I think, on Monday when I bought Fetch because I thought there was actually, well, in the end we did get some bullish momentum, but I did not make any profits. All right, back then I bought at like $2 right here. Because I actually thought that Bitcoin could get some bullish momentum, which we also did, but it didn't last, all right? And that's also the story of the market right now. A lot of altcoins are just super bearish. And listen, I do want to make clear that I am very bullish on Fetch, all right? I think Fetch is a great project, and personally, I'm looking to get into this again. However, if you look at it right now, it's just bearish, all right? Basically, since the stop we made the 28th of March, we've been super bearish, and that's just the truth there is to it. We're making lower highs right here, making lower lows, and most importantly, I would say, is that what's happening at this moment is that Fetch has no momentum. So usually when a crypto like Fetch has no momentum, you can see open interest is just dropping down with a bit of a weird spike here. Usually when a crypto doesn't have momentum, it looks up to the big crypto, which is Bitcoin. And that's strengthened by the fact that right now the Bitcoin halving is here. So Bitcoin is just in general in the spotlight. The Bitcoin dominance is very high. So just in general, most altcoins, especially the big ones, are just correlated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not strong right now. You can see fetches for about 90% correlated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is weak right now. So then most altcoins are weak as well. So then also, look, what's most likely right now is that Fetch has this massive support level, I would say, between $2 and 1.75, something like that. It's like it actually goes all the way down to like 1.6, but all right. So it has that support level. It's pretty strong, especially 1.9 is a very strong support level. And so far we've been able to hold that. So that's holding up the price for Fetch. But if Bitcoin continues to be bearish like this, what's going to happen? And that's most likely right now, all right? Technically, the structure for Fetch is bearish. Bitcoin is not strong, so it's most likely that eventually we'll break down below 1.9 and 1.85, and that will start dropping down towards the next major support level, which is 1.65, but also 1.5 down here, psychological support level. That's most likely. All right, it's just, I mean, it's not more difficult than that. The current structure is bearish. So usually a crypto just follows the current structure, which is bearish. There's not massive momentum behind AI, even though we did receive some bullish news about AI. So that's interesting to keep in mind, but not too valuable at this moment if cryptos are not reacting to that. And then the market is also not strong. So it's just most likely that we will continue to drop down. Now, like I said, 1.85 and 1.9 is a pretty strong support level. So we can actually stay on top of that for a bit longer. But ultimately, breaking down below that and getting towards the next major support level, like I said, probably around 1.5, 1.55 is most likely. Now, to end this video on a positive note though, because Fetch is correlated to Bitcoin, and I still think that ultimately we are in a bull market, Bitcoin is going to turn around at some point of time. All right, so if Bitcoin turns around, if Bitcoin can gain some real open interest again, which is momentum, and if Bitcoin gets bullish breakouts, for example, above 62,500, but ultimately also 65,000, if that happens, then Fetch can be bullish. All right, the main level Fetch needs to break above to be bullish again is 2.35. Can we break above that now? No, doesn't look most likely. Can we break above that if the market turns more bullish? Yes. And ultimately, like I said, dropping down here is actually not that bad. It's just new buy opportunities. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know right now for Fetch. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.